Sir, how do you see the future of education and learning, especially learning and teaching models?
Wow, this is getting tricky now. I'm not satisfied with the way we are educating our current generation. And we are not preparing for the next generation also, because education needs to be revisited. How we part the knowledge today, it's quite outdated. It's still, we're still working 50 years ago. The way we used to teach, teaching the same way. But we need to stop that. We need to revisit and start teaching our kids how to use AI tools to learn. Now time has come. All our schools, all our colleges, all our universities must adopt AI tools to teach now. We don't need books anymore. We need to put the books aside and then go to AI. Start using the tools so we can learn faster, get more knowledge quicker, and then be able to process things faster, be able to decide faster, because we have more knowledge, access to knowledge now, which we didn't have in the books all time. Remember, books are printed over a period. They are outdated by the time we get the books. But there is information on the same subject on the net which is up to date to the last minute. Which is better to learn from? From the net or from the book? Well, I will prefer the net. I will prefer to go use AI tools to learn the information of today, not of yesterday. The books are of yesterday, not of today. We have to change now. And it's not about university or college, it's also about school. It's about primary education. We must change our primary education now. Class one, we start introducing AI tools. Let our kids learn how to use these tools to learn faster, more knowledge, quicker knowledge. They need to learn how to extract. Then you need to show them how to do the prompt engineering. It's critical now. Otherwise, it will be too late for the generation which is coming out now.